Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to easily import Amazon products to your WordPress website with a few clicks. So if you are creating an Amazon affiliate website and then adding products one by one, their images, description and especially updating their price, that will be a long process. Also, if a product price updated on Amazon, then you will have to go manually to your products and then you will have to update the price. So in this video we will see that how we can import our products easily and how we can sync the product price with the Amazon. So if the product price updated on Amazon, then it will update it automatically on our website and we don't have to do it manually. So as you can see, I've already imported all of these products from Amazon. As you can see, direct import, and all the prices are synced with the Amazon. Also we have the regular prices and the sale prices. We can update these also, which we will see in this video. Also, if I go to categories, then all of these categories are automatically created by that plugin. So if we import a product, then it will create a category, a subcategory, or again a subcategory. So we don't have to create a category also. So this plugin is very handy and very easy to use. So let's check our product on live website. So this is the website to which I have imported the products. Now, for example, I click this product. Then as you can see, this is the title of the product from Amazon, all the images. This is a little bit description, and this is the detailed description, additional information and reviews also. So in this plugin we can also import the reviews if you want. Now if someone click on the buy now button, they will be redirected to the Amazon and there they can buy the product. Now if someone click on the buy now button, then as you can see we have our affiliate ID here. So every time someone click on that product, then our affiliate ID will be present here. And the best thing about this plugin is that this affiliate ID will be stored on their browser up to 90 days, which means that if someone buy this product or any other product on Amazon within the 90 days, then we will get the commission because our ID already have present there. So before starting, let me show you how this plugin works. So for example, I search for another product here. So for example, I want to import this product, so I'll click this, and for the import you will see this bar. So that is because of that plugin and extension that I'm using. So for example, I want to import this product and it have a variation, then we can import all of the variation from this. And if I want, I can import the single variation by clicking this button. Now it's up to you that how you want to import your product. I don't want to import the variation, so I'll click this, and this will import the product without variations. Now as you can see, product imported successfully. If I click view product, then as you can see the product imported successfully. This is the name, all the images and the description, additional information and so on. And let's check this in dashboard. So if I go to dashboard, products, then as you can see this is the product that we just imported, and here is the published date as well. Okay, so this is how you can import the product easily from Amazon. Now let's see how we can do this. So I already have installed the plugin and the extension that we are using in this website. So I'll do this on another website so that you learn that how we can do this. So let's close this. Okay, so this is the website to which we will import the products, and as you can see we don't have any products for now. And to import the products we need a plugin which is called Ozone, and this is the plugin. You can buy this from Envato Market here if you visit the codecanyon.net. I'll also provide this link down in the description, so here you can download this plugin for free, and this is with lifetime license key, and you can download this here. So once you download the plugin, then you will get a file like this. So as you can see we have the plugin and its key. Now let's upload this plugin. So we will go to plugins, add new, and we'll upload that plugin here. So choose file, and click install now. Once you activate the plugin, then this will take you to its activation, and here you will have to write its purchase code and your email. So I'll provide the item purchase code, and instead of email you will have to write your own email. So paste the key and write your email, then click activate now. And as you can see, activating. Please wait up to 10 seconds. And once the activation is successful, then this will take you to this page. So this is just the welcome wizard. You can click on get started, and here choose the kind of website you are using. So I'll choose blog, and here you can choose any of these, and we'll click next. And here you will have to choose the state of your website. So if your website is new, then you can click on fresh install, and if you have some content on your website, then you can choose this one. So I'll choose fresh install and we'll click next. And here are 4 options. So choose the first one, that is to make money easily by affiliation, and click next. And here are a few options that you can enable according to your needs. For example, on-site cart. So if you enable this option, then people will be able to add multiple products to cart, and then they will have to buy them on Amazon. And if you don't enable this option, then people will only see this buy now button. And I will not recommend to enable this option if you want to buy a single product, so they will get only buy now button. And this is the 90 days cookies that I have talked about earlier. If someone click on buy now button and they get redirected to Amazon, and if they buy any products within the 90 days, then you will get the commission. Also the review tab. So this is the review tab. If someone want, they can write a review about the product. This is the cross selling. So this will show the frequently bought items together. This is product availability by country. So if you enable this option, then here you will get a box which will indicate that the product is available in your country or not. So this is also dependent on you. You can show coupon. So this is the coupon code. If any item have a coupon code, then people will be able to add the coupon code here. And checkout email, if you want, you can enable this option, and people will have to write their emails before checking out the product. This is the remote Amazon images. So if you enable this option, then the images you import will be stored in this plugin, and they will not load it on your hosting. So this is also a good option to enable. And after this, show free shipping. So any item that have free shipping, then this will show the free shipping. Once you finalize this option, then just click on next. Now this is the prices setup. So choose only Amazon here. This is the product merchant. So also you can choose the Amazon or the Amazon and other seller which sell their products on Amazon. And import is, so if you want, you can publish the product or make it dropped. So I'll recommend to publish this. Now import product with 0 price. So if a product have 0 price, then we don't want to import that. So you can enable or disable this option. And import attributes. So these are the product attributes. As you can see, the option will allow import the product attributes. Now this is again dependent on you. So choose your options and click next. And the number of images. So here you can choose the number of images that will be imported with each product. So I'll recommend this to make it 3 or 4. So it does not import all the images. And these are the variations. So if any product have variation, then you can import the product variation as well. I already have showed this earlier in this video. The spin and import. So choose if you want to auto spin content on Amazon import, avoid Google finding duplicate content. So if you enable this option, then you will not be able to import a product twice, and this is also a very good option. So just click on next. Now this is the checkout message. So if someone buy a product from your website, they will get this message and they will be redirected to Amazon within 3 seconds. So you can increase or decrease this also. This is the button text. So if you import a product, then as you can see here, it is written that buy now. So you can write buy now, or you can write buy on Amazon. This is the button opens. So you want to open this on same tab or new tab, so I'll recommend to make this new tab. Now click on next, and here you will have to write the access key ID and secret keys, but these are not necessary because we are using the extension only, and for that we don't need these. You can leave these as default, and here you will have to put your affiliate ID. So for any country you want to put the ID, you will have to write your affiliate ID, and to get your affiliate ID just go to Amazon affiliate. And once you log in there, you will see your store ID here. So this is the affiliate ID that we will use there. So just copy your ID, go back to the plugin and paste it for United States, for example. If you want to do this in United Kingdom and all of these, then you can put your affiliate ID there. And this is the main affiliate ID, so choose this United States. The request type is auto detect. Also the import location is United States. So don't change these options and click on finish. And that's it. So this was the basic setup of the plugin. You can close this. And now if you scroll down, then you can click on direct import extension. So click on this. And here you will have to get the extension. So click on this, and this will take you to the extension page. And basically this is the extension that we will use for the process. So click on add to Chrome. Now we have added it successfully. Let's pin this so you can see this. Now go back, and here you will have to generate an API secret. So click on generate new key. So go to extension, no site added yet. And as you can see, refresh the page after you change the option. So let's refresh this. And as you can see, we want to authorize the WZone direct import extension. So once you refresh the page, you will see this message. So just click on authorize, and website successfully added. If you check the extension, then this is the website that we are using here. Now to import the product, just go to amazon.com. And now you will see this extension over the Amazon. So first, as you can see, it is written that if you want to import a product, please go to any Amazon product detail page. So before importing the product, we will have to go to a product page. So let's go to computer and accessories. Now for example, I want to import this, so I'll click this. And now as you can see, we can import our product here. So this is the product, and now to import all of its variation, then you can click this one, and to import a single variation, you can click on this. So let's click this, and this will start importing the product. As you can see, sending product to WordPress, and the product is imported successfully. Now you can view the product. So this is the product that we just imported, and this is the United States. So this is available for United States. As you can see, this is the review tab, and let's check this in dashboard. So if I go to products, and this is the product that we just imported. So this is how you can import the Amazon products to your WordPress website. Again, you can download the plugin from this website. If you have any questions, then you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.